How to use LitPal AI to make money on Amazon KDP, beginner tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how beginners are using LitPal AI to create books and publish them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as Amazon KDP, to start making money online. The best part about this method is that you don't need to be a professional writer, you don't need design skills, and you don't need any experience publishing books. I can help you do most of the work. And if you want to try this tool yourself, make sure to visit the link in the description to get started with LitPal AI today. So let's jump right into it. First, let's quickly talk about Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows anyone to publish books and sell them on Amazon. You don't need to print books yourself or ship anything to customers. When someone buys your book, Amazon prints it, ships it to the buyer, and pays you a royalty for every sale. That means you can create a book once and continue earning money from it over time. Now normally creating a book can take weeks or even months. You would have to write the story, design the pages, create illustrations, and design the cover. But this is where LitPal AI makes things much easier. LitPal AI is an AI tool that can generate entire books for you in just minutes. It can help you create the story, the pages, illustrations, and even the book cover. This makes it perfect for beginners who want to start publishing books quickly. Now let's go through the simple steps to get started. Step 1 is creating your Amazon KDP account. Just go to the Amazon KDP website and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Amazon will ask you to add your author details, payment information, and tax information. Once that is done, you're ready to publish books. Step 2 is creating your LitPal AI account. After signing up, you'll be able to access the LitPal dashboard where you can start generating books. Inside the platform, you can create different types of books. Some of the most popular books people create for Amazon KDP include children's storybooks, coloring books, puzzle books, and educational books. Children's books are especially popular because parents are always looking for new stories and learning books for their kids. Now step 3 is choosing a good book idea. It's important to choose a niche that people are already searching for. Some popular niches include animal stories, dinosaur books, princess stories, educational learning books, and Bible stories for kids. Once you have an idea, you can start generating your book. Step 4 is creating the book with LitPal AI. Inside the dashboard, click on Create New Book. Then choose the type of book you want to create. For example, if you want to create a children's storybook, select that option. Next, enter a short prompt describing your book idea. For example, you could type something like, "Create a children's story about Noah's Ark for kids ages 4 to 8 with colorful illustrations." After you submit your prompt, LitPal AI will start generating the book. Within minutes, the AI can create the story, the pages, the characters, and the illustrations. If you want to try generating your own book, don't forget to check the link in the description and get started with LitPal AI today. Now step 5 is editing your book. Even though the AI creates the content automatically, it's important to review the book before publishing it. Read through the story, fix any grammar mistakes, and make sure the story flows naturally. You can also add extra pages or adjust the illustrations to make the book look more unique. Step 6 is creating your book cover. Your book cover is very important because it's the first thing people see when they are browsing on Amazon. A colorful and eye-catching cover can make a big difference in getting clicks and sales. LitPal AI can also generate book covers, making this process very easy. Once your book and cover are ready, you can export the files as a PDF. Then upload the interior file and the cover file to your Amazon KDP dashboard. Amazon will generate a preview so you can check that everything looks correct. Once everything looks good, you can set your book price and publish it. Most beginner books are priced between about $6 and $12. Depending on the price and printing cost, you can earn a few dollars in royalties for every sale. Now here's an important tip if you want to make more money with KDP. Don't just publish one book. Publish multiple books. Each book becomes another opportunity to earn income. Many successful publishers have dozens or even hundreds of books available on Amazon. And every time someone buys one of those books, they earn royalties. So the key is to keep creating and publishing consistently. And tools like LitPal AI make that process much faster and easier. If you're ready to start creating your own AI books and publishing them on Amazon, click the link in the description below and get started with LitPal AI right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos about AI tools and making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.